Hey y'all. So this 6 weeks we talked about three new parent functions: the exponential, the logarithmic, and the cubed root. So we're going to take each of these one at a time and talk about their key attributes and some tips for remembering how we can answer questions related to this topic. So the first one that we talked about, we said, was our exponential. So our exponential, our equation is going to be f of x equals b to the x. Now, if we recall, we had two types of exponential. The first one is going to be growth, and the second one will be decay. Growth is going to occur when b is greater than 1, and decay will occur when b is a decimal or a fraction. All right, so if we think about what these graphs look like, we have our x and our y-axis here, with x being our side to side with negative and positive, y being up and down with negative and positive, negative at the bottom, positive on top. So our exponential growth function is going to start along the x-axis and increase, right? We started out with only 2 M&Ms, and then we ended with a whole lot. On our decay, we started out with a lot of M&Ms, and we ended with not that many. So the pretty cool part, though, is when we talk about our key attributes of our growth and decay function, they are going to be the exact same. So let's talk about our domain, range, asymptote, x-intercept, and y-intercept. All right, so for me, it's always easiest to start with the asymptote. We said an asymptote is going to be a line that our graph approaches but never touches. And with our parent function, it is going to be along our x-axis here. So when I talk about my asymptote, I can say it is along my x-axis, or where y